My name's Constance and I'm a solicitor for the Commercial and Property team here at Cooke Hutchinson Lawyers. Today I'm going to be talking to you about offers to lease. Now, some clients come to us thinking that offers to lease aren't legally binding. However, unless there is specific wording in the offer to lease to say that it is not meant to bind the parties in any way, shape or form, usually these documents are legally binding. So that's why when you're negotiating an offer to lease, you need to be very specific about what is included and what's excluded from the offer to lease. So if something is left out, like a very important payment, say outgoings or rates, then it's very hard to put that into the lease because the offer to lease forms the skeleton of the lease. So we always encourage clients to go and see a solicitor to help them to draft the offer to lease, or at the very least have a solicitor review the offer to lease before you sign it. Recently we had a client come to us where they didn't include very important outgoings in the offer to lease, and these are payments they wanted to pass on to the tenant. When they did put those payments into the lease, the tenant then refused and said this clause was not agreed. So that's why you need to be very careful. Also, when you sign an offer to lease, this is a legally binding document. So then if you don't want to proceed with the lease, you need to be very careful about how you can terminate that document, because usually you will be bound by it and you will then have to proceed with the lease. So if you are having any issues with an offer to lease or you'd like us to review one, come and see us and we can give you a fixed price.